Hi guys, welcome back. Just a quick video today. I'm going to be showing my single seed for the Single Seed Challenge 2022. This is hosted by Scott over at Scott Head. I'll link his channel in the comments and in the description below. I'm going to be showing Aubergine Clara. These are a white aubergine in an early cropping variety. Never grown these before. The point of this challenge is to sow a single seed and document progress of that single seed throughout the year. So, got a pot full of safety compost. And all you need to do to enter this challenge is film the planting of a single seed, post it on YouTube with hashtag Single Seed Challenge 2022 in the title. See the seeds there, very small. So I'm just going to get a little hole in the middle. Pick out the best looking seed there. There's the label. I'll just give that good watering. I like to use the water from the fish tank to do this. It's already at nice temperature. So I'll keep that on top of the fish tank, and I'll keep you updated with any progress. Alright guys, so that's about it for this one. Thanks for watching. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below. Bye for now.